Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I'd like to tell you how it is that people, maybe you, have ended up being ungrounded, living life not really in your body. It happens for a lot of people for a couple of major reasons. One is, as a kid, they're being abused, and kids don't have many options. They can't just go, wow, I'm going to have a couple of beers so I can kind of wipe myself out after that horrible thing that happened. Or they can't, as a 3-year-old, they can't go, heck with these parents and this family, I'm leaving and starting a new life. They can't start taking drugs, legal or illegal, to try and deal. They can't become workaholics as a 3-year-old, okay? So it's just one of the only options if a person's being abused, to just leave the body and come back when the thing happening is over. Only most people don't really fully come back. They're kind of floating around somewhere else-ish. That's how they end up living their lives. So if you know people who are ungrounded, it is very, very likely that they've got childhood history, or I'll say you have that kind of childhood history, and it's just normal. It's like, what are your options? That's just one of the few things you can do to try and make it through horrible things that are going on, whatever kind of abuse. So a hint that that's happened for you is when you have memories of traumatic situations, you see it from above, or you see it from next to yourself. These are hints. You weren't in your body when it was happening. And that's just normal for a lot of people. The other thing that happens is sometimes when people have surgeries or car accidents, just a big, giant physical trauma like that, they leave their body and they just don't ever fully come back. So with TAT, you can very easily fully come back. What you're going to work on is whatever happened, and you don't need to know what it was, whatever happened so that you left your body. And then when you make your I choose statement, you just choose. Now, living in this body, head to toe, fingertip to fingertip, front to back, inside to outside. And it's very typical that once you find yourself in your body, if you haven't really been there, you're going to feel heavy. That's very typical. I worked with someone just this last week who said, was in that situation. She said, I feel like an elephant. So yes, that's heavy. Okay, so you can become grounded for good very, very easily with TAT. If this is you, I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.